No one expected a mysterious light to descend on Jabal Al-Rahma, yet it did. Scientists rushed to explain it, and failed. What happened on that sacred mountain that night still has no scientific answer. Jabal Al-Rahma, also known as the Mount of Mercy, stands in the heart of Arafat, a place where millions of pilgrims gather every year. It is a mountain deeply tied to spirituality, forgiveness, and divine mercy. But what happened here recently was something no one could have predicted, something that left both ordinary people and scientific communities stunned. Late one night, as a quiet calm settled across the desert landscape, a strange illumination appeared above the mountain. Witnesses described it as a vertical beam of bright, pure white light. Not like a flashlight, not like any drone, and nothing like a spotlight. It wasn't moving, it wasn't flickering, it was simply there, descending silently from the sky. People nearby recorded the phenomenon, and within hours, the video went viral across the world. Some claimed it looked like a heavenly sign. Others believed it was a natural phenomenon. But when the experts reviewed the footage, the mystery only deepened. Scientists first assumed it was a lens flare or camera glitch. But according to technical analysis, the light was physically interacting with the environment, casting shadows, reflecting off rocks, and illuminating the area with actual brightness. That eliminated the possibility of it being a digital artifact. So what could it be? Meteorologists suggested maybe it was a rare atmospheric reflection, but the weather conditions that night showed no humidity spikes, no clouds, and no temperature shifts that could create such an effect. Engineers argued it could be a military laser, but the beam's width, stability, and color didn't match any known model. Even satellite imaging of the moment did not detect any aircraft or drones in the area. Some researchers then turned to a more unusual explanation: electromagnetic anomalies. But for an EM anomaly to create visible light that hangs still in the air, the conditions would have to be extremely specific and extremely powerful. Nothing in the region's geological data supports this. So what was it? Many viewers began connecting this event to the spiritual history of Jabal Al-Rahma, the place where, according to Islamic tradition, Prophet Adam and Hawa met after descending from heaven, the place where forgiveness was granted to humanity, the place where countless people raised their hands in dua, seeking mercy. For some, the light felt symbolic, a reminder, a sign. Others wondered if this was a natural phenomenon that science has not yet discovered, something that occurs only under rare cosmic conditions. But the strangest twist came when the light suddenly disappeared after exactly 7 minutes. Without fading, without spreading, without drifting. It simply switched off, like someone flipped a cosmic switch. Researchers were left with even more questions. Why did it appear? Why only on that mountain? Why for exactly 7 minutes? And why has no similar event been recorded anywhere else? As speculation grew online, some people pointed out that Jabal Al-Rahma has long been associated with strong emotional and spiritual energy. Millions gather there during Hajj with tears, prayers, and repentance. Perhaps the mystery light was connected to something beyond measurable science, something spiritual. Of course, science has not made any final claims. Every known explanation has fallen short. And until more evidence appears, this event remains suspended between the worlds of science and mystery. What we do know is this: the universe is far more complex than we understand. Nature still holds secrets that no instrument can measure. And sometimes something happens that reminds us we are not in control and we are not the center of creation. The strange light of Jabal Al-Rahma remains one of the most unexplained phenomena of recent times. Was it a sign, a natural phenomenon, or something humanity isn't ready to understand yet? Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain: the world noticed, scientists noticed, and believers noticed. And this mysterious event has now become part of the long, deep history of a mountain already known for miracles, mercy, and the unseen. If you want me to make part 2, where we explore all scientific possibilities one by one, let me know in the comments. And if you want more mysterious Islamic history stories, make sure you subscribe.